So we left Bishop Bay this morning, and we are now in Hartley Bay, which is another one of my favorite places on the west coast of Canada. It's a small community, about 150 people, and the unique thing about this place is that the whole town is on boardwalks and wood platforms. So you drive around in golf carts and quads. There's a few really cool looking rescue vehicles, like one's a rescue vehicle and there's a couple fire trucks, and they're all miniature because they have to drive around on these boardwalks. You can get fuel here, diesel and gas, and water for the people that are traveling along the coast. And it's not that far. It was about 29 miles north of Bishop Bay. We saw a ton of whales on the way up, and we had one whale actually breach 4 times right in front of us. That was pretty cool. And really special for the kids to see that. They'd never seen a whale jumping out of the water like that, so close. And we literally lost count of how many whales we've seen in the last few days. So we will stay here the night. We just topped up the fuel, and we're going to do a little walk around the village and then start heading north tomorrow. So for the people out there that don't know my kids, this is Tate and Shay, and they've been cruising on this boat for a long time now, but not in this part of the coast. So what did you guys think of Bishop Bay?
It was nice, really relaxing.
And how many times did you go in the hot springs?
4 or 5.
I think it was 5. That was
5,
good.
yeah.
5 times in a day and a half is pretty nice. And what was the highlight of today so far, Shay?
The whales.
Yeah. Did you get any good photos of them?
Yes.
Have you seen anything like that before? No?
Not that close.
No. Pretty incredible how big they are, and the big noise they made when they hit the water. That was pretty cool. All right. Thanks, guys. Are you guys excited to see Hartley Bay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's go check it out.